Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why the settings aren't saved on ROCCAT Kone XP Air. For example, when I adjust the DPI switcher, so maybe let's set it like that, whatever, and then I actually start switching the DPI, you can see it goes back to normal. That's because you may have not noticed that there is the apply button right here. So after changing any of the settings that you see here, you need to click on apply. You can also enable auto apply, so it will automatically apply after changing any of those settings. So when I change it, it just applies. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.